And action. Hi, Solomon Sedona here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clone a tomato plant. So in this pot I have a well-established tomato plant, which I've already used to make clones in the past, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this at home. It's really easy. So cloning a plant is basically turning one plant into multiple plants. And so you can start off with one plant and you can actually propagate these stems to grow whole new plants. So I'm going to show you like this. So you want to get a cutting that is at least 4 to 6 inches. So I'm just going to take it from the top right there, cut right here about 6 inches down. It doesn't have to be exact distance. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this jar to actually grow it in. But before that, you got to cut off these extra branches that are going to be below the water line. So this one, go ahead and snip that one there. Snip this one there. Okay, these leaves are going to be above the water, so they're good to stay. Next, at the bottom of the plant, you cut the stem at a 45-degree angle. You snip it like so. Then some people spit on it. Kind of helps so it doesn't get harmed from bacteria. Then you just simply put it in this jar. For this, I'm just using an old spaghetti jar that I washed out. And then, so basically, after a couple weeks, your plant will look like this. See these roots? Now that's some healthy roots. Once roots get that established, then the plant's ready to be transplanted into the main garden. So go ahead and follow me, folks. I'm going to show you the main garden. Right this way. So, just the other day I started one plant that I already transplanted in there. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's well established. Go on and follow me this way. So if you look right here, go ahead and zoom in. This is a tomato plant, just like one of these ones that I already established. Okay, so I got this special technique that I do to plant. We're gonna plant this one over here. So go ahead and come right here. I got a nice open spot right here where I can plant. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this, just a toilet paper roll, kind of fold the bottom of it a little bit, so it's going to be like a little pocket for the roots to go into. Put just a little bit of dirt in there, and so I'm going to stick all that in there. Oh. It's a little windy. Okay, let's go like this. Oh. Okay, there we go. It's okay if some of the roots stick out because the plants are gonna grow. This toilet paper roll is gonna decompose, but what's gonna happen is it's gonna help be like a little starter to help the plant grow and hold that moisture and the roots to stay together safely. So you can kind of dig a hole like that, cover it up, the toilet paper roll, like so. Then water the plant in. And there you have it. So that's how you transplant. That's how you transplant and plant new tomato plants. So you can actually perpetually do this, and you can have dozens of plants as long as you keep the one main starter plant alive. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's cloning tomato plants. Solomon Sedona here. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.